What's up, everybody? It's your boy MIA back with another installment of 5 things you need to know in the market this week. But before we get started, just a reminder, we are live every weekday 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with in-depth analysis, live options trading, and community chat with traders from all over the globe. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you know every time we go live or put out one of these time-sensitive videos. And now let's get right into it. The big thing we will be awaiting for this week is CPI, or Consumer Price Index data, coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time Tuesday. This should be a good gauge on how Jerome Powell's interest rate hikes have been working at lowering inflation. Higher than expected CPI number could send the market down, as more or larger interest hikes could be on the table. However, a lower than expected CPI number could send the market into a buying frenzy, so be prepared. Second thing we'll be keeping an eye on is earnings. This round of earnings is winding down, but we still have some big names left to report. This week's earning reports will be highlighted by Coca-Cola, Zoetis, Airbnb, Cisco, Shopify, Biogen, Applied Materials, DoorDash, Hasbro, and wrapping up Friday with John Deere. The third up, we will be looking at PPI, or Producer Price Index. This number tracks inflation from the standpoint of manufacturers and wholesalers. So PPI data essentially has the same effect on the market as CPI data. However, coming out on Thursday, 2 days after CPI, it's likely that we won't see as big of a market reaction. However, PPI does in fact help us predict where the inflation number could be headed for the next few months. And next up, we'll be looking at the consumer spending data. That number will be released by the Census Bureau on Wednesday, or the Census Bureau, excuse me. This number, again, will be important to help gauge how the effects of the Fed's monetary policy tightening are working. A slowdown in consumer spending could show these policies are working. However, strong consumer spending could add some fuel to the fire on what to expect from the Fed as we begin to look forward to the FOMC meeting taking place March 15th and 16th. And lastly, we will be looking at, as well as airing live right on Outside the Charts, the U.S. Senate Banking Committee holding a Valentine's Day hearing entitled Crypto Crash: Why Financial System Safeguards Are Needed for Digital Assets. Democratic Chairman Sherrod Brown indicated in a November letter to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen that he wants to begin serious efforts towards the U.S. government oversight of crypto. The committee's newest ranking Republican, Senator Tim Scott, said in a statement last week that the members, quote, should work to facilitate a bipartisan regulatory framework. So, could be a bipartisan issue, and with all the scandal around FTX, Voyager, other crypto exchanges, we may see action sooner than later on this crypto regulation. The big question, however, is how will it be accepted? How will it be accepted? We have crypto bulls now calling for regulation. So the sentiment from maybe a year ago to where we're at now on the acceptance of regulation could be night and day. And that is all for this week, guys. Remember, we are live each and every day when the market is open, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon, and have a fantastic day.